Hi guys, welcome to Dine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare crab curry. So stay tuned till the end. The main ingredients we need are 700 grams crab, 1 chopped tomato, 1 big chopped onion, some chopped coriander leaves, 3 green chilies, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 2 diced potatoes and 250 grams pumpkin. Now heat a pan and add about 3 to 4 tablespoon oil. Then add the crabs. Then add 2 teaspoon turmeric powder. Fry the crabs until color changes slightly. Keep them aside. Now in the same oil, add the diced pumpkin and potatoes. Then add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt. After a while, keep them aside. Now add a little bit oil to the same pan and add garlic cloves. Then add the chopped onion. Then add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Then add green chilies, sliced tomatoes, then add a little bit water so that the spices don't get burned. Two teaspoons salt and a little bit sugar. After that, cover the pan for 5 minutes. Open the cover, stir this. And add the fried potatoes and pumpkin. After a while, add the fried crabs and mix them. Then add 2.5 cup water. Again cover it for 5 minutes. Now open the cover and add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and the chopped coriander leaves. Lastly, cover for 2 minutes and it's ready to serve. Our delicious crab curry is ready. There is one more crab recipe on our channel. Go and check it out. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.